Hi, I'm Zane Sadiq.
My name's Henry Davidson.
My name's Abdellah.
I'm studying a level 3 apprenticeship as an electrician with Peabody. I shadow my mentor, support him by preparing each appliance. I fit my own appliances like sockets, switches, changing lights.
I learned valuable lifelong skills in regards to the trade, learning how to deal with various problems and dilemmas that you may encounter within domestic plumbing, such as leaking pipes or traps being blocked or drainage systems not being up to standard.
And on a day release, I'll go to college to complete a tutorial, usually first thing in the morning. Then I'll have a theory lesson and 2 practical lessons that follow that.
Day release alongside work has definitely helped my skills, as it gives me time away from the workplace to sort of focus on studies and the theoretical side of plumbing.
I'm Ben Paul, I'm the operations manager for Peabody Group Maintenance. We've recently gone into a partnership with Waltham Forest College, hoping to bring on a minimum of 5 apprentices a year. They contribute to our business, and they're obviously a massive helping hand and start to see a benefit. They'll have picked up some knowledge, they'll be doing repairs by themselves. In the apprentices, we're looking for basics, presentable, punctual, basic knowledge on customer services, the trade that they're in, obviously, which they've already done a year or so at college before we get them, good communication skills and basic understanding of health and safety.
The best thing about the apprenticeship, it offers a real life on-site experience whilst you study, and it comes with a lot of benefits, such as you get paid while doing it and you network. I feel like networks are very important because you could build connections with people, learn different trades, learn why you're doing it and what you can do in the future.
I chose to study an apprenticeship as opposed to a regular level 3 MVQ, as gives you a lot more hands-on experience on site.
The apprentices will be helping our engineers learning their trade, day-to-day problem solving, leaks, electrical faults, carpentry.
I feel like one of the main challenges is we work with a lot of old houses, whereas in college you work with newer equipment, you work with newer appliances. We had to learn the old wiring systems, and using that we had to convert it into new wiring.
I chose to study an apprenticeship because getting a trade under your belt, whether that's becoming an electrician or becoming a plumber, I think is vital.
The advice I give to someone starting an apprenticeship would be to always apply yourself, take pride in your work and always listen to who you're working with.
The 3 that we've currently got from Waltham Forest College, all been brilliant.
I wanted to thank Waltham Forest College and Peabody Group Maintenance for giving me this fantastic opportunity. I've enjoyed every moment of it so far, and I can't wait to see what the future entails.